Welcome. We started a series, and the last episode we spoke about understanding money. And I said the first step in your search for financial freedom is to understand what money is. And we looked at what money is and what money is not. We said money is not paper. We said money is not a debit card. We said your credit card is not money and your checkbook is not money. Now, if the paper currency that we know is not money, what then is money? Today we're going to be looking at the subject, what is money? Number one, money refers to any medium of exchange. The focus here is on how to get your needs to be met. This means whatever you have now that can be exchanged to solve your needs is money to you. Money is not your regular paper that you use to exchange for commodities. Money is what can be exchanged. It's something that can be exchanged. Your giftings that you have. Are you a designer? You can actually have a deal with a company and say, okay, I'm going to work with you as a designer. Now, if I work for 2 months as a designer, you're going to get me a plot of land at social location. And then you have exchanged your services, you have exchanged your skills and your energy just to get the plot of land. You didn't need to have the money to buy the land, but your skills have created a way for you to have that land. So our focus is changing your mentality, changing the narrative, and making you understand that you are not hopeless because you lack the physical paper, but about having something that is inside you that can be exchanged to get your current need now and to solve the needs of your family. I want to change the flow of your thoughts from solving your problems with the paper currency like the dollar notes, the naira notes, the cedis notes. I want to change your mentality to solving your problems with the real money, which is the value that you have to offer to get that need that you want to be solved. Use what you have to get what you want. And I speak in the positive manner. Many people have abused this concept and they've used guns and bullets to get what they want by robbing people, showing them the guns, and they get scared and hand over their valuables to them. That is the wrong way of getting your needs met with what you have. But there are other ways to get your needs met. Are you an actor? Are you a comedian? There is a skill that you have. There is a gifting that you have. Use it and you can exchange it to get your needs met. Number two, what is money? Money is a reward for problem solving. Money will always flow in the direction of value. Wherever there is value, money will flow. If you solve a problem, then you will get your needs met. Money is like a current, it's always moving and it's always looking for the direction where needs are being met. If I have a toothache, I need a dentist. If I'm sick, I need a doctor. If I'm in the hospital, I need a nurse to watch over me and to take care of me. So wherever there is a need and that need is being met, it's going to attract money to its direction. Money increases proportionally to the level of problem that you solve. People will only pay you based on the needs that you meet. Now know this and you're going to have peace. If you solve a small problem, you're going to have a small reward, which is a small money. If you solve a mega problem, then you're going to get a mega reward, which is a mega money. And guess what? If you solve a global problem, you're going to get paid and rewarded globally. You're going to get a global reward, which is a global money. The question is, what problem are you solving? So that means if you need more money, you need to be thinking more of solving bigger problems, and then you will get bigger money, and then you will get more money coming to you. Discovering a problem will not get you paid. Anybody can discover a problem. But the people that get paid are those that discover a problem and solve the problem. When you find a problem and you create a solution for that problem, you're going to get paid. Now, the world is crying and everybody is scared about a global recession. But one thing is certain, if someone gets the cure for HIV/AIDS now, money is going to flow in the billions to that person. Every day, people are discovering new problems and creating solutions to those problems, and they keep getting rewarded for solving the problems. The question is, what problem have you discovered and what solution have you created for the problem around you? In conclusion, money is a medium of exchange and a reward for solving problems. Start thinking on future solutions. Ask yourself, task your brain on the kind of problems in your nations and the solutions you can create to those problems. What solutions can you prefer? What solutions can you provide to the problems surrounding your nation? And that will bring you national money. No matter how poor a person or a nation is, they will always pay for their needs to be met. Develop yourself to be a problem solver. And how can you do this? List the problems that you've discovered, and then check out from those list of problems the solutions that you can provide, and then money will begin to flow in your direction. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, please click on the subscription box below, subscribe to this channel, and then click on the notification bell so that whenever we post a new video, you will be notified and you will continue to learn and improve yourself. You have a gift and we're willing to help you nurture your gift and train you to become a better person in your world at large. If you have any question, please post a comment below. And if this video, you learned something from this video, also post a comment telling us how this video has helped your life. And then do well to share